balance, yo. One day now, one day, I got Monday, one day, we will know who is who. Hey, life go balance. This life in no balance, yo. This life in no balance, oh. This life in no balance, yo.
Where are you coming from?
How was the last day of custody?
You went to see him. What for, if I may ask?
To get my own share of the money. I want to use that money for something. I'm going to give birth very soon, and I need to start business. I can't be depending on you all the time, Auntie.
I thought I told you to forget about my mom. Yet you refuse to listen to it. Is it not obvious that guy is playing you around? And you are so daft to understand that. I think if you would take my advice, I suggest you forget about that money before you give yourself heart attack.
I should do what?
Forget the money.
Auntie, I will not forget about that money. Lucas was giving my own share of that money. That money was given for us to use for something important in our lives. So you cannot just take the money on him. It's not possible. You must give me my own share.
Sandra, you have to decide now where you are going to stay. Either here with me or with him. Me that brought you out from his place. You think I'm a fool?
Auntie has not gotten through that now. I didn't mean it like that. I just need money to start business. I am tired. I'm tired of asking you for small money.
I know. But you should consider your condition. Don't go and kill yourself because of one money or whatever I don't even understand.
Life in no balance, yo. In no balance. But one day now, one day, this life must balance, yo. One day now, one day, I got Monday, one day, we will know who is who. Hey, life go balance. This life in no balance, yo. This life in no balance, oh. This life in no balance, yo. This life in no balance, oh.
It's coming from your room. I thought you'd go to work.
No. I have the meeting somewhere in Chicago. I thought it'd be coming up with the law.
Okay. Sorry to bother you. Just want to have a quick discussion with you. There's some things going on in this house that I feel we should be aware of.
Yeah.
It's about my sister. I noticed some funny moves between my sister and Hope. And that didn't really go down well with me. So I had to approach her, what is really going on between. And she confessed to me that they are in love. In love, pal. So that means this has been going on for how long? She said, but for some time now. So I tried talking her out of that, but she proved stubborn. So I said to let you know, maybe you can, not even maybe, you have to talk to her. I believe she will listen to you because that is really, really uncalled for.
Yeah. I must say I'm aware of it.
Really?
Yes. She told me yesterday. But I'm pregnant. I am going to handle it.
Okay, Dad, you better do, because, it's not nice.
Come on. Go to the beginning. No worry. I'm handling it.
Okay. Let me let you there.
Yeah. What am I?
About now?
So you mean she didn't tell you anything?
Babe not tell me anything, no. Sandra not tell me anything. She did not tell me anything. She said they didn't discuss anything. I would try to convince her to tell me everything. She did not tell me anything. She said if I'm not believing her, we can go meet Kelvin to confirm whether she did lie or not. The babe not bring her on.
That Sandra of yours, she's a hard nut to crack. But something tells me that she told Kelvin something. Perhaps?
See, let me tell you something. Sandra na one kind person where they keep things to herself. I tell you now, it's not the light open up. You understand? They like keep things to herself. Most especially if that thing now between me and her. Matter what concern me and her.
So are you trying to say
At that point, she no go gree talk.
what she told Kelvin is related to you and her?
The reason I tell you.
What was that?
No say she dey feel say I know they take care of her. She dey feel say I don't love her again. That kind of thing, you understand? They feel say me was not there again. So I believe in that kind of this kind of matter.
But that's wrong. That's totally wrong.
She dey like keep to herself. That babe not dey give me chance. She go like do her own things, keeping things to herself. She don't want to tell to me. She don't want to relate with me. See, make I clear you. Do you know that since we left Oga house, this girl have not one day come to my crib? I dey tell you now. I never see her. She never come my crib since that time when I come up for Oga house. As they invite me come up for the house, I never see her.
So where does she stay?
One of her sister ladders. The sister is still uptown. They run bar. I'm dedicated.
I hope this is not what I am taking it.
Based on who I be, our streets where I be, I know what you they think, but not be that one. See, if it is what you are thinking, your guy for don't drive you come off for us now. Kevin for don't send you packing. So forget that one, not be that one where you talk. We that's it.
Right, dog. I have to start going, okay? I'll see you later.
I don't understand. Hold on, don't just come on like that. I need 100K. 100 Bali. I want you to do something very urgent.
You need a dent 100K. See your mouth.
You picture like that.
Repeat it.
Oh.
Repeat. See it. See it. Well, you're shikable. Yes. Well, I told you. Remember, I told you that. I will not give you a dime. Not even a pesos. I will not give you anything.
You know one thing I like you. You sabi speak English well. 1 naira, 1 peso. Listen. I remember telling you then that you are now my ATM machine. So did you continue?
Get out of my car.
That one I hear you should speak, so get that with. I don't know last way. Give me money, give me 100K. Why they do like this?
All right, go with me where I'm going to.
Well, now I'm not. Anywhere you go. I need 100K.
Cool stuff.
You go give me that money. You decided to. Put a busy shop.
Doris, please, calm down. Not run your mouth. Now me decide to come out for that car. You understand? As you drop in and you don't swim up now, you don't happy, then make I tell you. Your secrets, they my palm. If I don't see my alert, if I don't see my money, my mouth go wrong. Okay? I will run straight to Kevin. Tell Kevin everything that happened. I go clear him. Me, Lucas, I be born for your neck. You know if he cough me out. Nah, they tell you now. Me and you, for this time, we go see him. I go do you that thing, where they do tortoise. Nonsense. I don't tell you finish now. I go see my alerts. You must give me my money.
What? You want to pull off my arm? You again? Yes, me again, madam. Me again. What is it now? If you know the mood I'm in, you will not trust. Who cares about your mood? You almost removed my arm. Instead of me to say sorry, and you're telling me about your mood. Who cares? I should say sorry to you as what? Are you the Queen of England? If I'm the Queen of England, I can see a demon has possessed you. Oh, Stat, I didn't have time for you are a serpent. Thank you very much. You are a witch. Thank you, Mrs. Demon. Hey, now, we're not in that. Send useless person. Yes, I am useless. You have this confused with that. No, but no, already have my daddy that thing. Look, get in, Queen of England, get in. I'm back here for us if you wish. Rubbish. Go.
Don't tell me this is true.
Please, I swear. I am not lying.
Why didn't you say anything to anyone all this while?
Because I was scared. I was afraid that I'm going to cause a problem between a father and a son. And secondly, even if I say it, who will believe me?
I would have believed you. She would have confided in me.
I'm sorry. I never thought of that. That was why I called you. Because I could not confide in anyone else except you.
Thank you for confiding in me. And I promise you, your doubts and fears will be erased.
Thank you so much. Please. Do you think I'm lying?
No, I can see the truth in your eyes.
Madam Doris, Pico, Rabu Mr. Hopo, Congo Merito Biko.
Come back here, come back here. No,
As your puppy, or what?
dog. Now let me sound this very clear to you. You better go warn that girlfriend or whatever she is called to you, whatever she is to you, I do not care. You better tell her to know her limits. I am not in any way her class. She should know her class. If she is mad, that's her business.
And stop.
If she is mad, you take her to the psychiatric hospital.
And stop shouting at me. I'm not what got you angry. Huh?
Okay,
I'm you. Who are you talking about?
I am talking about the girl I saw you with at the ATM. You better warn her. Warn her.
And mind the way you talk to me. Yes, because I'm not the one who got you angry. Why are you ranting like Nkitala? Eh? And the person you're referring to is Faith, and she's not mad.
Oh, what was I expecting? Of course, I knew you were going to support her. Birds of the same feather, they flock together. Well, let her know her limit. Because the next time she tries that nonsense, I am going to knock her down. Foolish people,
Why you went to have me? Get out of it.
no.
Eh?
Foolish fun and fine, bad and people make
I want to about why. Ranting, not even a good species. She for that matter. Takwana tamba. My dog. Making the hell up my dead. Wow, really? Wow, she did.
It's yours. Don't we kill?
Hello, Kichi, what's up? There was an issue. Oh, of course I am. Is it not Hope sister being my girlfriend or whatever? I don't care whatever they have. Can you imagine? I came back and she didn't bring this sauce on me. I said that was not enough. I was trying to explain to the houseboy what happened. And he was busy defending her. Can you imagine? You better have seen the way he was talking to me like he was mocking me. He was indirectly mocking me. My daughter was my problem.
She did very not.
She did very lucky, and as for them, for a houseboy, that way, I will make him witness in the city. He will right back to the village. He doesn't know me. I have told him that this is war. This is war. I will deal with it. That guy don't know me. You're not happy. Make him just wait at the corner. Make him wait. No, don't tell me to let it be. I will not give up on this issue. I will not give up on this issue. I will see it to the end. It must get to an end though. It must get to an end. I am just waiting for Kelvin's mother to come. I have called her and explained to her, and she defended me. She's in support, full support of me. I'm just waiting for her to come. Ikechi, now you dey talk this talk. Ikechi, which one is the what if you lose? Which kind of nonsense talk is that? Do I look like a loser to you? But there is no losing here. Now me will win. I must win this fool. Babe, you don't understand. I must win this. Beg, Ikechi, please. I don't need this negative energy, please. I don't need this negative vibe. I beg, I'll talk to you later. I beg. What kind of nonsense is this? Yeah? What kind of nonsense is this? I called you for you to give me moral support. They give me nonsense vibe. I beg. You said get out. Who says?
Look, there is no way I will collect 80 million naira from him. 100 million naira or nothing. I have assigned what I'm using the money for. You can't just tell me to accept it like that. Please, let's not push this. Let me call you back. I'm getting a call, okay? Yeah, Lucas. What's up? And if I'm not picking your call, it means I've been busy. Please, we'll talk later. Please. So, sorry I came back late. They were looking for change to give to me. But I have it okay. No, no, sir, the change is for you, not for me. Inspire you that no, keep the change. Okay, thank you. I hope I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry for reheating you the other day, okay? Don't let that get to you. Understand? It's okay, I understand the reason for your reaction. Anyone in that position will do the same. But it's okay. It's alright. Thank you. You're welcome. Alright. Thank you, Dad. I just got the alert now.
Well, skip me.
100 million.
Yes. You see, the 100 million there. I am not going to add one more penny to it. No, I promised you 100 million.
Yes, Dad.
And there you have it. I've done my part as your father, so it's now left for you to prove a point. Use it for your business. It's not for you to squander. You understand? Treat your customers right, with respect, don't be arrogant, and you will turn over the business in no time. Do show us around. Now, come on.
Thank you, Dad.
Hey, Chief, yeah. Wow.
Thank you.
Well, welcome, sir.
Hope is a good thing to have. When there is a life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope, or one day you will succeed. Succeed. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. Succeed. Succeed.
Sandra.
Succeed.
Get leave the crazy version.
Hi, buddy.
Please come. Yo, what is me? Sorry. Back and in back. What made him care?
There's something I want to tell you.
Go ahead. I'm listening. But I hope the thought about the car.
It's about...
Go ahead and talk. Let it out.
It's about my pregnancy.
What about it?
Lucas is not responsible for it.
Sandra, what did I hear you say?
I'm sorry, I just had to put it on him.
Sandra. Then who is responsible for the pregnancy?
Oh.
I mean it.
What?
How?
Yeah, I feel happy, I feel good, but I was thinking of how to tell him that I want to ask for his daughter's hand in marriage. Because of the condition.
What condition? He thought that one still looks sick. Eh? Did you see how energetic and cheerful he was looking?
Because of the news. The news actually made him strong,
I think so too.
What?
And but then, I just want to say thank you for bringing so much happiness into my life. You're truly a replica of your name. Thank you.
Come get out. Okay. What? We had an agreement.
I'm sorry I got carried away. Okay, how about your mom? Have you spoken with her? Remember, we still need to get her blessing.
No, I have to look for my father first. Something tells me that Mr. Nelson that I've been working for and living with is my father.
Seriously?
You know the story I told you of the man and his housekeeper? They're suspicious of the housekeeper through the behavior of the boss.
Oh, that the boy later found out that he's the boss's son?
Yes, I'm the person in the story. And Mr. Nelson is the boss. I have to bring this story to you in a different form, so to know if we're thinking alike.
Oh. But why is he hiding the truth?
That is what I have to find out.
Okay. My fly. Oh. Hello? Is that? We got home safe. Easier. Friday. Cool. Okay, let me speak with him. Hello, sir. Yes, it's Faye. Sure, sir. Thank you so much for checking on him. Sure. It's okay. Thank you. Do have a wonderful day. Bye, sir.
But
Who was that?
That's friend.
Oh, the one he told us that he lost contact with him for a very long time.
That's one exactly.
Whatever you hear, the wonderful one I met that.
Yes.
Okay, That's the money you saw me withdraw from the ATM. I've sent Mom 30K. And I wanted to have this to get some things in the house.
How long did I know the source of this money? I won't touch it.
Okay. My salary for 3 months was paid. And that is 150K. So I've sent Mom some money from there. And I wanted to have this. You see? I'm not a thief. That's my salary.
I didn't say you stole it. Come on, I was just asking. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
So, what is it you wanted to sing from?
Sir, I know it's too sudden, boss. I'm sorry about that. I want to seek your permission to travel. If you don't mind.
Trouble? How many days do you intend to stay?
Just 5 days, as the case may be.
5 days. In that case, you have to wait. I'm traveling tomorrow to come back the day after. So when I come back to travel, you have to wait in person.
I'll wait.
Okay.
Great.
Any other?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I want to thank you for paying me ahead. The money was so helpful.
Yes, but you worked for it, didn't you?
I know, but I'm talking about paying me ahead is something that people don't experience every day.
Well, that is correct. And you are still working. So there's no problem in there.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Sure, you can go now.
Okay.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Well,
And welcome.
Thank you, Father. So, have you discussed with him?
No, I've not. I can't face him. So I've not done it actually. Sounds anything.
I think it's better for you to go and say it to her.
After him about it.
We don't only the right net.
And he's not that easy, oh. He refused to go there with me. I mean, I can't go there alone. I don't know how he's going to take it. I'm scared.
For right there when the both of you had an affair. It's okay. Be on my knees. I've not said I will not go with you. I will. But I want you to go there first. Meet him. I have a one-on-one interaction with him. Whatever his stressful piece will make me follow you. I think something. Oh, it's okay.
Thank you.
Faith, I am so sorry I was not able to come and see your dad in the hospital.
Whoa, it's okay. At least you called. That's also showing concern.
Thank you. So how's he?
Well, he's fine. He'll be discharged in 2 days.
Oh, that's so nice. I'm sorry. You know, when you called, I had to go and pick a parcel up. So immediately I was told I started coming back.
Thank you for coming. I have a quick favor to ask of you.
Whatever it is, if it's within my power, do it.
I'll be planning my marriage very soon.
Whoa, congratulations. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you. You know, ever since I met you, I felt connected with you. It was just as if we're childhood friends, grew up together. So, I don't know. I would like you to be my maid of honor. Me. It's an honor. It's a great privilege. It's an honor. Oh, thank you so much. I thought you were not that brave. Why not? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Who is the lucky guy?
Well, Hope, of course. Okay. Thank you. I think that's okay. I know, right? Oh, God.
I am telling you the truth. There's absolutely nothing going on between me and Cole.
Please, stop lying. I'm sure I wasn't hallucinating. How can you say you have nothing with someone while I saw you, hugged him, and glued up for long?
Are you finding it hard to believe?
Because you're lying.
Tell me, what are you planning? Now, what secret are you hiding from me? Are you planning to get married to him so he can take over father's business?
Like, seriously? Oh, sorry to disappoint you. I'm not like you that keeps secrets.
I don't keep any secrets, sis. You practically know all my secrets.
Sandra,
And what about Sandra?
you think I don't know? That you're the one responsible for her pregnancy.
What nonsense are you talking about? Who doesn't know Lucas is responsible for her pregnancy?
I spoke with her and she told me that you had unprotected sex with her not once, not twice, but 3 good times, and you're here telling me.
Where is your voice? You know the race is home. We can.
Well then, I overheard everything. Nothing is hidden under the sun. What?
Yes, I admit I slept with her. Or that is not enough proof that I'm responsible for the pregnancy.
Then why has she been calling you? From what I gathered, she's not staying with Lucas. She hasn't been staying with him. So obviously she knows the real father of her child.
I'm just confused about his called for.
You should be confused.
I mean, you're going to have a baby. And then you're going to leave me for that thing, that crew. God, you disgust me. Honestly, I'm really disappointed. And if you hadn't pushed me, I would have been pregnant, still be pregnant for you. I mean, we should have been prepared to have our baby. We should have been married. But you pushed me and I lost my child, my baby. You pushed me.
Yes, can you not take us back to what we've forgotten? It wasn't my intention, you know that. I have told you severally that God will give us another child.
You know, I'm still trying to understand this. I don't know why you would sleep with someone you do not love without protection. And then you sleep with me with protection. Explain it to me.
Doris, you're taking us back to what we have talked about. I don't like it when you do this. Can we forge ahead? She can never take your place. Sandra can never take your place. It is you I want to marry. She knows that. She can't pin me down because of pregnancy. She's not even expecting me to marry her. She just wants me to be aware that she's pregnant with my child. Okay? She's not expecting anything pregnant. It's you I love. It's you I want to settle down with.
Then marry me. Marry me. Now. Why?
And if forgiving me.
Maybe.
Hello, Ma.
I thought you said you will come to the village today.
Yes, Ma. Something came up.
Why is it that something always come up each time you said you will come to the village, eh?
Yeah, Ma, I will come.
I will come. Are you here now? Eh? If there's something wrong with that place you are, you tell me so that I know how to channel my prayers, eh?
Well, everything is okay, but I will this time around, I am not going to tell you when I'm coming. I want it to be a surprise.
It's better that way. Don't tell me, so that my BP will not rise.
Please, just try and be fine. I know you just recovered.
Hi, don't worry. I'm not stressing myself. Thank God for Chiamaka, who is helping me out in the house here.
Oh, I'm going to buy her a phone when coming, but don't tell her. It's going to be a surprise.
I've heard you. I'll not tell her. Thanks again for that money you sent.
And Mama also thank me all the time I give you something.
Maybe because the money is big, very big indeed.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine.
Okay, I tried. Take care of yourself, and please don't forget to call Chiamaka's mother. She sent us some food stuff, eh? Hey.
God bless that, my auntie. Oh, don't worry. I'll call her and I'll appreciate her.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Hope is a good thing to have. When there is a life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope.
Babe, are you sure he's not been dating her before he started working in the house? Eh?
Well, Antonia, not at all. I don't think so. Because when I made my intentions known to him, he didn't tell me that they were dating. So tell me, what does that have to do with this? A lot. He really sacrificed it. Especially when the father was in the hospital. I was told that she and the father has not been in talking terms for almost 8 years now. Jesus, that whole reconciled thing. So, even the man over there will point out, come and marry my daughter. Head her. Well, I think I agree with you. Just that you don't need to be mad at him. Because if you were to be in his shoes, he will make the same choice he made. Okay? I think your phone is wrong. Wait, Dad, sorry. Hello? Daddy? Hi, good afternoon, sir. No? And yeah, he said he canceled the trip, that he has something to do. Okay. Yes, he's no longer traveling. Dad, what do you mean you're traveling? How? When? You didn't tell me that. Okay, no problem. No problem. Safe trip. Bye. Listen.
It said wrong.
I'm so sorry. It's Antonia. She insisted that she wants to take me out.
I was actually waiting for you to come back before I go.
Go.
Yeah.
Go away.
Go home. I'll be traveling tomorrow.
Is my dad away?
No, though I told him that I'll be traveling. We spoke on the phone before my phone fell into water. So he asked me to wait for him. He will return in the next 4 days. So I should wait.
Oh, that's true. You're right. Oh, correct.
So I have to go see my mom. Just stay only 1 day and come back. I really need to go see her. I always promise her that I will come in to see her. At the end, I will fail to go.
Is she aware you're coming?
Yes, today or tomorrow.
Sorry. You actually need to go since she's expecting you. Don't worry about my dad. You don't need to wait for him. I'll cover up for you. If he asks after you, I'll tell him that you went home.
No, don't tell him that. Just tell him that I've gone to see my mother and I will return the next day.
Is my brother Kevin away?
No, but I actually told him that I will be playing.
Safe journey. And my regards to your mom, even if she doesn't know me.
She will hear. Let me prepare my things.
This life in no balance, oh. 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 The ones with the hair, no gets the gap, oh. The ones with the gap, oh. No gets the head, oh.
Hey.
This life in no balance, oh. This life in no balance, oh. In no balance, oh.
You see? How could you have known that your father has a house in the city?
But I didn't even know that he has that much properties. If he didn't say it. Ha, that man. Surprised.
Your father is really doing well in his business. Yeah, he is. You know, he decided to be driving that small car. So eyes will be off him.
You can't say that again. Well, let's not forget. What time are you leaving tomorrow?
Oh, immediately 6 a.m. I'm off to the park.
I'll miss you. But when you get back from your trip, I think I should just ask my dad to tell me how to locate my brother. I really need to meet with him. At least let him witness the marriage of his only sister.
Yeah. We will. We'll both find him.
Thank you. Thanks for always supporting me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's perfect. Hello, Sunday. So how was your nephew with you? He accepted the pregnancy. That's good. Yes, that's good news. Well, I called to find out if he's trying to run away from his responsibilities. So I can cut to his father's house and fetch him one-on-one. And he accepted to marry him. That is good news. I like what I'm hearing about it. Huh? Okay, dear. Just hasten up and come. I'm going to the shop already. Okay, darlings. Okay. See you then. Elder bro. Queen. Thanks all for answering all my prayer.
I'm sorry.
No gets the gap, oh. The ones with the gap, oh. No gets the head, oh. This life in no balance, oh. This life in...
Hello, Mama. Mama, where are you? I went to the house and it's locked. I didn't see anybody there. Mama, what of Chiamaka? She's not around. Mama, where are you? Where are you? What? Mama, wait. You just prepare, wear clothes, and went to the park to start coming to the city without telling me. How can you do such a thing now? Mama, you should have told me that you're coming. Oh. Mama, I am not around. I am not around. Yes, I will be out till I'm coming back tomorrow morning. It's okay. It's okay. Start coming. When you get there, just wait for me. Just wait for me.
no balance, oh. This life in no balance, oh. In no balance, oh.
If I tell you I'm not disappointed, I will be lying to you. The risk that I have come to accept as my daughter-in-law already could go to this level. It's a shame. It's a disgrace to the Nelson family. But let me say this now. On no account should she step her foot to this compound in here.
I'm sorry, Dad. Please. I'm ashamed of myself. Yes. But you taught me that in life one is prone to make mistakes. What counts is how we make corrections towards that, which I'm ready. I'm ready to take up that responsibility to do the needful. Okay? Please put the blame on me and not on Sandra. I am ready to do what is supposed to be done. I cannot live to watch another man fathering my child, no. So for that reason, Father, I am going to marry Sandra. All I need is your blessings.
For only you have my blessings. I support you. But
thank you, Father.
Come inside. Come inside. Who's there?
I provide code.
Oh, welcome back. Oh,
Thank you.
this when your face is like this. Hope nothing bad happening with it.
Faith, I got to the village only for me to realize that my mother has traveled to the city.
I don't understand.
I am telling you that right now that my mother is in the city. And she told me that she has a place she's putting up. That immediately I enter the town, I should call her so she will direct me.
Well, I guess since you promised severally to go visit her and you never show up, so she decided to take the bull by the horn to come see you. At least this time you won't escape. Maybe that's why. Tell me, have you called her?
I am confused right now.
Okay, I think you should just call her to know where she is.
I don't know, I don't want to call her now. I want to say, let me come back to the house and discuss this with you. Then know what to do.
Okay, I actually just came back from the house, the one Dad told us about. Yeah, he gave me the keys to the house to go get some money from the safe.
What for?
He'll be discharged today. So I was thinking, when we go to the hospital, to discharge my dad, on our way back, you can then call your mom and we'll go see her.
I think I should call her now before we leave to the hospital.
Okay, you do that. Let me just get you something to eat while you go.
No, Faith, I am not hungry. I don't have any appetite to take anything. Let me call her first.
Dad.
Hello, Mom. Yes, I'm back. Where are you so I can come and meet you? What? You... Okay, no problem. I'm coming.
What did she say?
Can you imagine where she says she is?
Where?
In Mr. Nelson's house. My boss.
Oh, wait a minute. That means your thoughts were correct all along. This is African magic.
Mr. Nelson is your father.
I think we should go there first before going to the hospital.
Yes, we should. Let me just drop this, change up, and take you. Okay, please. Oh, I'll forget your samples.
Oh my. Oh. Yeah.
What's right on here?
Dad, what are you doing here? I thought you sent me on an errand.
Yes, my daughter. But we lost contact many years ago. He managed to get to me through a friend he called, and he came straight to the hospital. You remember that my friend you spoke on phone with 2 days ago?
Oh, the same one that came after I'd left the hospital.
He's the one.
Did that?
Yeah.
And Mom? What are you doing here?
Mr. Nelson here came to the village to see me, and he brought me here.
Oh, man. I thought as much. My doubt is now clear. You know, the way this man used to look into my face, at the time he asked of my mother and my father. You know, whatever he wants to talk to him. Okay, this actually really cleared my doubts now that this man sitting down here is my father. Oh my God.
Well, you see, I am sorry that I did not tell you before I went to see your mother. But just like you, I wanted to also clear my doubt before I tell you the truth.
What's truth again? Apart from the one I've already known.
No, you don't know the truth. The truth is that I am not your father. Mr. Nelson Amadi Ibah is your father. Just as he's also the father of Faith. So she is your sibling. And probably on the same time.
Hope is a good thing to have. When there is a life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope, or one day you will succeed. Succeed. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. Succeed, succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Succeed, oh succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Oh.
Believe me when I say I've let go my bitterness towards Amadi. I would not like my stubbornness to interfere with this reunion.
I am very, very happy for this reconciliation. I think it's going to be a first start for two of you. You know, second chance for you to make it work. Right?
The last time you visited, Hope was 5. You told me that you will no longer visit me as usual because of your wife, and because I stood my ground that I was not going back to Amadi. I know you meant well for me. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Today I'm relieved. Thank you so much, and very much in class. For giving me a second chance, thank you so much. To my friend and my brother Nelson, you know many times will not be enough for me to show appreciation for what you have done for me. Guru, even when I changed my mind and my location just to cut you off because of your too many pressure, you never give up on me and my family. My friend, I owe you a lot. Thank you so much.
Whether or not we will pull ourselves, no.
Peace. Hope told me everything about you. You've always been a good person. And ever since I met you, I'm thankful to you for staying true to yourself. He also told me he has feelings for you. Yes, and that's the truth. I know you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'll leave you guys so you can talk while I go get a drink, okay?
Peace. You see, this engagement ring is supposed to be a surprise to fate. But I just realized that it's not meant for fate. This ring is meant for you. Please, do not say no. Will you marry me?
Yes. Yes, I'm warning you.
Hope is a good thing to have. When there is life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. Succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Succeed. Succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Life is full of ups and downs. Today you are up, tomorrow you could be down. Trials will come, temptations will come in this life's journey. Oh, some people will walk against you. They want to see you fall, to see your downfall. But you must try to stand tall so that you don't fall. Hope is a good thing to have. When there is life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. Succeed. Don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. Succeed.
Who got that? Who got that?
You're surprised, huh?
Get what you surprise mafia. I mean mafia and nothing will surprise me. Like what did they do for my village? How you they trace me?
That I traced you right into your house in the village.
How you they happen now? Who give you address?
You know, you really underestimate me.
I see they control you now. Forget that I did believe. I mean they do the buckle. I be big boy. You know if you do me anything. You know that, huh?
Okay.
Yeah, nah.
Watch me squash this shit.
Hero. This baby serious. I'm sorry. Listen, let's settle it out. Okay? It's still my person.
We live in a world where the head becomes the tail in no balance. Hey, we live in a world where the tail becomes the head. Life in no balance, yo. We are the good ones, are oppressed, oh. And the bad ones appear to be blessed, oh. Life in no balance, yo, in no balance. But one day, now one day, this life must balance, yo. One day, now one day, I got Monday, one day, we will know who is who. Hey, life go balance, this life in no balance, yo. This life